Hello everyone, welcome to another video of our channel Pasupati, the god of animals. This video is about cats. Cats are no doubt the most mysterious pet animals we know. Unlike dog, they are not very much friendly, but if you manage to win their trust, they can become your most loving best friends. What you are watching now is an Indian street cat, also called Billy. I haven't named him because I have not been able to win his trust till now. Though he eats the food I give him, but he doesn't let me touch him. In this video, we will discuss more than 15 cats' superpowers. So, without wasting any more time, let's begin. Superpower number 1. Cat's brain is almost 90% like humans. That's why they can understand human language and can communicate with humans better than dogs. Superpower number 2. Cats have much longer memory recall than dogs. That's why cats are able to explore a wider range of area than dogs. They remember places, they remember pathways very perfectly. Superpower number 3. Cats can jump 6 times of their height, which helps them to catch hardly caught prey like birds. Superpower number 4. Cats have glands on their tails, heads, lips, and frontal paws, which help them to experience the world more vividly. Superpower number 5. Cats' eyes can see in 7 times lesser light than human eyes. That's why they love to hunt at night. Superpower number 6. They are clever, patient, fast, and naturally well-trained hunters. They hunt rats, mice, birds, and many other things. Superpower number 7. Cats can make 100 different sounds, which help them to communicate better with the world. Superpower number 8. Cats can walk approximately 30 miles in an hour, which helps them to explore much longer and wider area for hunting. Superpower number 9. Cats can turn their ears approximately 180 degrees. Superpower number 10. They can smell 14 times better than human. Superpower number 11. Cats' number of heartbeat is 140 in a minute. Superpower number 12. Cats doesn't make mew sounds while talking to other cats. They make mew sound to communicate only with humans. Superpower number 13. Though cats fear water so much, they can also catch fishes if necessary. Superpower number 14. Cats can see things situated in very long distance, which helps them to locate prey. Superpower number 15. Cats sleep 2/3 of the daytime. Maybe that's why they are so much calm, clever, and energetic when they are awake, of course. There are many other superpowers of cats. For example, some people believe they can see non-physical things like ghosts. Really, some people believe that cats can see non-physical things like ghosts, angels, and many other things. Some believe they absorb negative energies. Ancient Egyptians used to worship cats. There are many cat gods and goddesses in these ancient cultures. In Hindu mythology, Ma Shashti uses cats as her carriage. Cats are believed to be spiritual animals. I will talk about the spiritual aspects of cats in another upcoming video, but for now, this video is becoming too long, so it's time to say goodbye. Thanks for watching and thanks for giving me the support I needed so much. Thanks for everything. Please subscribe who haven't subscribed yet, and stay blessed. Love animals, play with animals, understand the importance of animals in the world, and protect animals, and try not to imprison animals because of your happiness or like that. Animals are very emotional creatures. Most of the animals are emotional. We human have emotions too, and in plus point we are clever animals, we are social animals, so we are animals too. we are also we are also inside this earth, so not inside, living in the surface of this earth, and we need to understand the ecosystem, and we need to understand the importance of animals. So please love animals, protect them. Thank you very much. Goodbye.